So, here it is. So what we got here is an armrest that costed me my liver, my spleen, and my heart. Look at this beauty. So, it basically, in a nutshell, what we're gonna do, I know it's really complicated, so bear with me. We're gonna take this nice purdy armrest right here and take this nice and destroyed armrest out. Bada bing, bada boom. You following me? All right, let's get to it. All right, so I don't know how exactly to do this, but I'm just assuming, taking an educated guess, I'm just gonna take these two screws out, and that should release this whole thing. Now, what I also want to do, I want to take this service parts identification off, because if you don't know, all these numbers on this piece of paper, basically each number has a specific meaning to it. Like say, I don't know how to decode this off the top of my head, but say AC3, the first one right there, that means I got power windows, for example. Like each of these gives you a specific thing the car has, or things that make the car specific. So I actually do want to keep that in here. So I think when I take this off, I'm going to heat this up and see if I can take it out without actually destroying it. So we'll see how that goes. I also do want to take all these staples out and actually see what the armrest looks like under this right here, because why not? All right, so I took the screws out, and this is the old guy right here. I did just kind of place this here just to see how it would look. I'd say pretty damn good. So there's this metal bracket right here. It's supposed to be here. Previous owners took it off this. I guess I could see why. I don't really know why it's here, but all you gotta do, there's a metal spring right in there. All you gotta do is just put it in the hole that this thing has. Hold on, let me rip it out right there, and then it slides in there. So now all we gotta do, throw the two screws in, and bada bing, bada boom. Okay, so screws are in. I did also add, these are just leftover kind of like sticky insulation, sound deadening kind of things I had left over. I kind of just sticked 1, 2, 3 right there, just so when the thing comes crashing down, at least there's some kind of cushion here, because they're supposed to be, I don't know what you'd call them, but I just call them stoppers. They're supposed to be there so when that comes down, it just goes straight onto that, and it's rubbery. Of course, like everything else in this car, most things are gone. So I put that there. It's still a little loud, but what do you want here? It's a 40-year-old car. But besides that, that's kind of how we're looking. I think it definitely looks better than this, I would say. All right, so let's get busy. Let's start ripping these staples out. While I'm doing this, guys, tell me how the quality is on this camera right now. Right now I'm using the Insta360 Go 3S. Man, I really need to make sure I'm picking up all these. What a smart guy, leaving all these staples in the driveway. And let's see what this baby looks like. That looks disgusting. That looks really bad. Okay. That looks disgusting. But this, on the other hand, not too bad. I probably could have fixed it instead of buying a new one. Now I think about it. Not too bad. But still, the inside was falling apart, and that's kind of just... Thought it was worse, but still, the new one obviously looks better. So anyways, this is what our final product here kind of looks like. Can't really complain. It looks better than the old one. Looks more... I gotta get rid of these. Looks more new. It definitely has to be broken in a little bit, and I have to fix over here. I can kind of see why the previous owners took this bit off, because when I open it, kind of just pops out there, then the only way to put it back in is if you push it in. I don't know if I WD-40 that, it'll make it better. Let me try. All right, let's see what happens. Shoot this shit in there. Might as well do these two, because why not? Oh, hell yeah. That is a hell of a lot better. Good old WD-40, man. Alright, so what we got here, this is the original armrest. I tried up here just peeling it off, but if I peeled this off, it's going to completely get destroyed. So what I did the next best thing. I took as good as a picture as I could of it, and I just printed it out. This one's obviously too big, until I got it right about, you know, it's basically, it's almost the same size. Good enough. I mean, you know, with how old these cars are, at a certain point, you wouldn't really tell it's not the original. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to take this tape, because this is just clear tape over it. I'm gonna take this and I'll put it on the original, or not the original, the new one. So let's give it a go. All right. So, oh yeah, this thing opens up like butter. So what was this? Let's add it like this. We'll just do it like that. This is not gonna look perfect, but we do what we can, right, boys? I'll just do that. Smack dab in the middle. Stick. Yep, this is not gonna be pretty. Alright, so here we are with the finished product. This is the old one. I mean, hey, overall, I would say it was a success. Anyways, so I will catch you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this, and peace.